All right, folks, I had to start my recording again. Today it's the 16th of August, and I have an order in to buy the NQ E-mini right here at 149.65, and I'll show you real quick. It's above this high right here. It's a little small 1, 2, 3. Here's the better one though. First is a 1, 2, 3. This one is off of that. Is the 1, 2, 3. The only thing I don't like about it is the um, slow stochastic is still way down here, and the RSI is not up there yet. The MACD has crossed over. Um, I do like this piece though, is the ES has formed a 1, 2, 3. Let me show you a little better picture of it here. Yeah, so you get your 1, 2, and 3, and it crossed over, and it looks like it's leading the way back up. It had a big dump this morning. I had gotten in long on the first 5-minute candle and got stopped out at 5 points and $100, and I did not re-enter. I said, nah, it just looked like it was not going to go taking off, so I just backed off, and it's come down here now. Looks like it wants to fill me. Um, Getting close right there. It's jumping around quite a bit. Um, I will come back and just if I get filled, I'll come right back and kind of talk about it from there. Well, looks like it's getting ready to. See if it'll jump up and move on through. I just hope if it goes, it keeps going. But as I said, this is, oh, here we go. The RSI is heading up to the 50. This is not getting up as quick as I'd like it to, but it's all chances anyway. I mean, I'm just playing the odds. So nothing is set in stone. I'm down $99 already for the morning. Um, this could be a good turnaround point for the day, but let me get back over here and show you the daily. Okay, I just got filled. The daily chart looks like it's wanting to break down a little bit, and that's why I'm just kind of hesitant on the whole getting long. It may start turning into a breakdown for the market on the daily. So um, I'm just giving it a try and see what happens. But the ES, it looks like it's going up. So we'll see what happens here, and I'll turn it off for or I'll freeze it, and let's see here. We're getting a little bit of action, up $100. Got pretty much get my loss back. But here's where I'm looking at taking profit is up here by the if you can get up here, is up here at the VWAP, and that's right around the VWAP is right around 15018 or 19, and I put mine around 14. Yeah, I'll keep it in there somewhere. I'll kind of keep my eye on that. It's moving up nicely right now, so I'll come back in just a few minutes here. Okay, I've moved my sell order to 1125. The VWAP's at 15 or 17. It's looking kind of strong now. The psychological point, it would be 1500 all the way across, and it's right there right now. And I'm up $700 on this trade. Um, man, this thing's looking strong though. I just don't. I'll tell you what I'm going to do is this candle right here. I'm going to bring my stop up just below it. So if it tanks on me, I have a profit for the day. But yeah, let's see here. It hit 03. I think here the cumulative delta is looking really strong too, to the upside. So I really think it's going to go up here to the VWAP, and that keeps moving on me. Or no, it's still at 17. Um, yeah, I'll tell you what, I don't want to get greedy on this, guys, folks. I'm going to pull it back down right about where. Oh, here we go. Okay, let's go 07. Just see what they can pop up there real quick. Because right now it's 0350 is the high of this candle. Okay, it just made a new high. So it may have a little juice in it. But as you can see, I'm up 755. Let's, you know something? I am not going to get greedy. I'm taking it. Let's see, 02. There we go. Okay, so just so you know how I work this, I will look at my scoreboard here. And that's one thing about, I'm with Top Step Traders right now, and I'm trading on their account. I'll do a video sometime and show you how it all works, but it's a good system to use. Um, use their money eventually after you prove to them that you can trade. Okay, so that trade I made $730. I had lost 95 before, but really with the commission was about $99. So overall for the day, after commissions and everything else, I'm up $627 on that trade. So I feel pretty good about it, especially after I lost that first one. And here's my little scorecard down here too. So if you get hooked up with Top Step Trader is what it's called, they will let you use their platform, and it costs money to do it, just so you know. But it's a good system. You're not blowing your money. I am not a professional trader. I'm not giving you trading advice. I'm just showing you how I trade. I've been doing it since 1990, right around there. So I've seen the changes take place. And right now, this, if you're going to play against people that have the technology they're using for their benefit, you better have the same technology, because it just, otherwise you're out in left field. So I hope this helped you. If it did, I hope would you please give it a thumbs up, and maybe you become a subscriber to me. I plan on posting every day, and I post my losses also. So it's just not a winning game with me. I take my losses too. So anyway, I hope you had a good trading day, and I will be back tomorrow. Have a good evening.